Hello everybody, my name's Dave, thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be cleaning up the intake manifold off my car. As you can see here it is there. I'm going to have a go at jet washing it and see how we get on. What I'm going to do is I'm going to try and degrease this intake manifold. Hi everybody, thanks for watching. I used my old video camera today, which is the one I'm using now, and it didn't record half the video. So what I wanted to show you was the cracks in the cylinder head. So the outer two are okay. The inner two are cracked. One is cracked in that half moon, and the other one is cracked in exactly the same place. That's what I wanted to show you. Thanks for watching, see you on the next one.